Hi, today we'll talk about what's the difference between consumer and enterprise drones. First, consumer drones are mostly developed for aerial photography and videography, and you can buy them to your nearest DJI store. Enterprise drones are different in purpose, size, and capabilities. This is a consumer drone. This is one of the popular drones on the DJI Consumer side. Lightweight, compact, and known for its portability and ease of use. It's designed primarily for hobbyists and enthusiasts. On the other hand, enterprise drones are commonly used for mapping, surveying, inspection, agriculture, and public safety.
And DJI Enterprise drones can carry more and different payloads. Need a help on finding a right drone for you? Send us a message. See you next time, big time!